It's for somebody special. Yeah, can't wait it out tonight.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Trinisha, aka Alendak, and thank you for stopping by. As you can tell from the intro, we're gonna be rating my lock styles from 2024. You know, I always change my hair and do a little retwist every month, so you know what that means? A different style. And I had some pretty good styles last year, so I thought it'd be super fun to just basically rate some of the styles I did, and also too, that might give you a little bit of inspiration on your next retwist, so you can see what you want to do for your hair. So let's get started. All right, so this was the style for January. So I love this style, but the only thing I didn't like is I don't like stuff touching my forehead. And so I didn't like that part. Also too, I wasn't used to bangs, so it did take me a little while to get used to it, but I got a lot of compliments on this particular style. Everyone was like, oh, it's so pretty, it's so nice, so beautiful. And it is. It was easy to do, pretty quick, and the back had a nice little like braid up, so it was very intricate. So I think I would rate this one, if I had to rate it on a scale of 1 to 10, I would rate it a solid 7, just because I don't like stuff on my forehead. That's pretty much it. Otherwise, it was good. Now let's move on to the best month of the year, February, because you know I'm a February baby. February 5th was my birthday. Yeah, so let's go into the February. All right, so this is February's hairstyle. I actually got this done for my trip to Thailand last year, and it was absolutely perfect. I love having curls on my vacations because it's just so beautiful. You can kind of flip it around. But this time around, since I did curls the last vacation, he was like, you can't do the same basic curls. So he came up with this nice little cute little braid that was absolutely amazing. It was just perfect for Thailand, and I got some amazing pictures. Like, check that out. Like, it all came together so well. So if I had to rate that hairstyle, I would rate it a solid 10 for me. I'm sorry, I had to rate it a solid 10 because I love me some curls, and I think the braid gave it a little bit of character. So yeah, I'll give it a solid 10. Yeah, solid 10, solid 10, solid 10. Let's go to the lovely March. All right, so now this is the style for March. I love me a little lock petal. I love a lock petal style, and I thought it was so cute that I had the little side swoop. I got a lot of compliments on this hairstyle as well. The only thing I can say about petals, man, as beautiful as they are, taking it out is the most annoying thing ever, just because there's so many like rubber bands, and then your hair, if you leave it for too long, your hair can start to get wrapped around it, so that can be a bit annoying. So that's usually why I'm a little bit hesitant with the petals, because I love how they look. You know, I got petals in right now. I love how they look, but golly, just taking them out, I need help. So I usually have to go by my sister's house, and she'll help me take them out because I just can't. So if I had to rate this one on a scale of 1 to 10, I have to give it a bit of a deduction just because taking out is not the best. So I would give it a solid, let's go with an 8. I'll give it a solid 8 because it's beautiful. Just take down is going to be annoying. So let's go to April. Now this is the hairstyle we did for April. So as you can see, pretty basic 2-strand twists. 2-strand twists are super easy to manipulate. You can keep them a little bit longer, because I typically keep my little hairstyles in for about 2-3 weeks, because I like to have at least 1 week with just my pure free hair. So yeah, locks 2-strand twists are pretty easy, especially if I'm going to do anything like water based. I like to have my hair kind of like already intertwined so they don't unravel. So yeah, nothing too crazy here, still very beautiful. You get to see the full length of my hair, you get to see basically the nice color. So if I had to rate that on a scale of 1 to 10, I would give it a solid 7, because it's versatile, but also too, there's not a lot going on there, not a lot of character. So yeah, solid 7. Now for May, we're back to my favorite. You know, I love a little curl. I love some curls. So yes, we're back to curls. Absolutely beautiful, just amazing. I just love how I look in curls. I don't really have too much to say about it. The only thing I would say is if you're planning on doing anything water-based, not the best. Any sort of moisture will kind of mess up with the curls. But my curls in that particular picture lasted the full 3 weeks, really, it did. So if I had to rate it on a scale of 1 to 10, I will still give it a solid 9 because amazing, beautiful. But, you know, if you get into the issue with like moisture or rain, or you want to do more water-based stuff, it's probably not the best, but absolutely beautiful. You can't go wrong with it. In June, we have a little bit of a repetition. I did a 2-strand twist again. I think the reason why I did that was because I had gotten a last minute appointment, and then I was also going to the beach, and I did not want to be in the chair too long, so I just did 2-strand twists again. So I'll just give it the same rating that I gave before, a solid 7. Now, July, I want a little bit of an updo, but I didn't want like a full updo, you know, like how this is like a full updo. I wanted a little bit of an updo, so we did this nice high pony with a little bit of a braid. Absolutely beautiful. And I got a lot of compliments on this as well because you get to see my full face. You get to really see the length of my hair. My hair is still free in the back, but you get that little braid in the front. So I think I would give that style a solid 8 because it's beautiful. It's a little bit intricate, but also a little bit on the simpler side. So I think it's a really good one as well. So yeah, 8. Now August, I'm gonna be a little bit biased because, you know, as I said earlier, I love my hair just being out and free. And so this time I actually had my hair out and free, and it was so good. Just having my hair out, and you can see the full length of my hair. You can see the color, you can see the thickness, you can see the texture, you can see everything about my hair, and I absolutely love it. So yeah, having my hair just out and straight, I got a lot of compliments just on the beauty and the healthiness of my hair and the thickness. So I love it, and I'm a little biased even though there's nothing going on it. It's like one of my favorites. So I would be lying if I said it was anything less than a 10 because I love my hair down. So 10 for me. It's not really a style, but it's a style to me. So 10. Now September, we're back to the intricate styles because I had an event. I did a creator event and I wanted to look amazing in all of the pictures, and I surely did. So this is the lock style I had for September. Look at that beautiful braid, and we had a little bit of petals at the end. He did that. And I love hairstyles where my hair is kind of pulled back as well, just because you get to see my full face. The hairstyle itself took a little bit longer, but it wasn't like terribly long. It usually takes me about 2-3 hours to get my hair done anyway, so I think it was more on the 3-hour end, but it was still very beautiful. I kept it in for a very long time. I think I kept it in for like 3.5 weeks, and then I just left my hair out for half a week because, you know, like I said, I like my hair out for a little bit. So I really like that hairstyle. It was actually good. I do have to give it a little bit of deduction just because it has the petals, and I already told you how I feel about little petals. So I would give it a solid 9. Still good, but a solid 9. Now October, we had the bob. You know how we love a bob. You cannot go wrong with a bob. That was a nasty bob. It was so good. It worked for everything I had going on that month. It was just such an edgy, fun, easy maintenance style. I got a lot of compliments on that as well, as I usually do. Trini always does amazing with any hairstyle he does, but people really, really, really love that bob, and I loved it too. It's a nice change from my long locks to a nice little short style. So if I had to rate that on a scale of 1 to 10, I will give it, I know I haven't been given like half points, I will give it a 9.5. The 0.5 is just because it's not my absolute favorite, but it's up there. It's top 3, but it ain't number 1, if you get what I mean. Yeah, solid 9.5. November, we have a repeat again. As I already told you guys, I can't help myself. I love a lock curl. I just love it. It's just like, I don't know what to tell you because if it's the holiday season, I want lock curls. If it's an event happening, like a special event, I want lock curls. If I'm going, for instance, to go meet someone, I want lock curls because I just feel my most beautiful and most confident when I have my little locks curls, because you still get to see the length of my hair, but you see the nice bouncy curls. I know you guys probably like, she's just going on and on about these curls, but I just love me some lock curls. So we did that again in November. I'm sorry, not sorry. I'll probably do it again. Probably 3 times this year as well. I just can't help myself. I just really like lock curls. So yeah, I already gave y'all That was like a 9. That's a 9 out of 10. So yeah, 9 out of 10 again, because I'll say it should have been a 10 because I done did it like 3 times. So 9 out of 10 just because. All right, now December was another cute style. A low braid. As you can see, this is the style we have for December. A nice low braid, neat, intricate. Now the thing I really liked about this hairstyle was when I got sick of the back being within the big braid, I was able to basically take the braid down and still put my hair in one. So I had the braid in the front and my hair was out in a pony in the back. And I really liked that I was able to have 2 styles in one. So I was able to stretch that style a lot longer than I probably would have. So I think for that, I'll give it an 8.5 out of 10. Solid style, 2 styles in one. A little bit more intricate, but overall very good. I got good compliments on that as well. So yeah, that is all the styles I had for 2024. As you can see, we had a bit of variety and a bit of repetition. Lock curls. I love me some lock curls. So I hope you guys enjoyed this little fun video. I know I was a little bit unsure whether I was going to do this video or not, but I was like, let's just do it. We're on the road to trying different things, especially on this YouTube space. Who knows, someone might be looking for a lock style for their next appointment, and I just gave you a whole bunch. So if you guys like this video, like, subscribe, share with a friend. If you have any suggestions on things you want me to do next or ratings you want me to do next, just put a message in the comments and I will be sure to do that video next for you. But until then, you guys have an amazing day and enjoy the rest of your week. Let's go.
Wait for me, girl. I know